How to make your meetings more interesting. So look at your last meeting, which you attended or which you presented. Look at your meetings and observe and find out, like, are you merely informing them? Are you merely just updating them or giving the data? Or so in that case, what will happen is the audience, the employees, they will just sleep off. They will pretend that they are listening to you, but actually they are not listening to you, right? But when you give them a vision, when you help them to get aligned to your vision, what happens is they listen to you and the productivity level also improves. So I'll tell you an example, 1 decade back when I was into corporate, I heard my CEO talking in one of the meetings. He said that I want intrapreneurs in my company. Okay, so what does he mean by that? He said that I want you people to get aligned to my vision. I want 100 HODs, who will look after all the departments, sales, HR, marketing, R&D, and I want 100 people like that who are ready to take extra responsibility so that they can manage the whole revenue flow of my company. So I want entrepreneurs. So this is how, he is making the audience nod their heads, making the audience get aligned to his vision, right? Indirectly, he's saying that I want more from you, right? I want you to put your heads down and, you have to work hard, to achieve this. And within a year, he says that, I will promote you to a HOD position if you really work this way. So it's very important to make your audience look at your vision, help them to get aligned to your vision and also hold them accountable. Now, when you have given them an action steps, don't leave it like that. Okay, when you have given them some action steps to do, so hold them accountable, and you have to cross check, you have to monitor whether they have completed that step, whether they have done that step. So hope this helps you to be more effective in the next meetings.